All right, 2016 Jeep Wrangler JK 4-door. Going to be installing these nice Royal Hooks door handles on. Excuse me. But yeah, as you can see, we got the old plastic, faded door handles right there. We'll be putting these bad boys on. All right, before I set it on the tripod, we know I gotta pop this piece off. There's some screws under there. Gotta pop that panel out. I think there's another screw or something there. And then down here at the bottom, there's these two, some star bit, T20 probably or something. Well, yeah, and then once we get all those out, then we'll pull the door panel off. So that's what we gotta do with the front doors. Back doors, I'm assuming it's probably the same. Pop that off, pop that cap wire off, and let's see. It looks like there is another screw down there at the bottom. And it looks like it'll pull off. So that's the back two doors. And then we got the handle here. From the research I've done, we'll pop this off, take out these grommets, and then we'll be able to play around inside there and take it off. So there's just a little overview of what I'm going to do. But I'll set it on the tripod and get to it. All right, I'll start off with the bottom here. I got a T20 star bit. I'll pop them off. Those off there on the bottom. Let's just pop off. That off. Take that off. Looks like there's another T20 there. And a Phillips head there, and there. Got my Phillips bit on. Pull off. That's great. Oh boy, this is tight. Just like your door lock clip. Pry up on it. Pull out. Okay, I tried taking this panel off here. Took out a bunch of these. Pried it off a little bit, but there's just so much shit going on. Can't really get it off. So what I ended up doing was I took my drill with like a, I think, cold saw bit on it. And wallered out 2 holes there. Didn't need to do this bottom one, but, the top one, there it is. And then, let's see. That's an 8mm head up in there, and I think another 8mm. So we'll get to it. Okay, first one's out. Okay. voila. Got these little gasket things on, put the studs in, ready to put it back in. I just have it like this so I can get it easily. Alright, I got it mocked up, or not mocked up, I got it on there, but I just need to tighten it down better. I'm just testing and making sure it's working right. Look at that, that's hot. I like it. I got these hand tight. I want to torque them down. To about that many ugga duggas. Alright. Look at that, beautiful. Alright, now I'll just put the inside door panel back on and work on the next ones. Got all the bolts tied up, put this grommet thing back in. So go ahead, plug the door locks back in. Just like that. Kind of got to open up the door handle. So, make sure that trim piece is on that seals against the window. Alright, got all those pushed back in. I had to fight one and realign it over on this, like right here. It's in now. Give her a little test. She's looking good. Pull this piece back in. And this piece up here. Voila. Yeah. We'll go ahead and start taking apart the back one. Got more T20s. Got a T20 here, 20 down here. Pull that off again. That out. Made it a little easier, I thought. I think we're ready to yak it over. Pry tool, Harbor Freight, would recommend it. truss there on that flange or whatever you want to call it. Okay, pull that. Now you do that on the front door too. I forgot to show that. Kind of just go full send with it. Like you can be a little more cautious, but it should be like right around in here. You know, just avoid, make sure you don't hit these cables. But I guess we'll see. Take out this drill bit and just do the circle saw. Okay, took out the drill bit. Just using this now. I'm gonna take this 8mm nut off, and then this one up here, and then we gotta pry this stuff off here, and maybe one up there. Ow, shit.
Okay.
Alright, here's the back door handle. It's off. Take a T10 star bit. Alright, there's this plastic piece you gotta get out. So I'm gonna just go. Hopefully this works. Beautiful. Alright, here's the back latch mechanism thing for the back handle. This here's a little too tall, and you only use the holes on the side. So I'm going to chop that off, just like so. Clean the burr off. There you go. Yeah, because it goes on like this, and this is sticking up over the edge. Okay, got this latch mechanism thing on. Cut the top off of it because it would stick up over the top edge there. Yeah. Okay, we'll go ahead and tighten down these nuts. Put these back, then you'll pop these off. So put those back on. So I just got done cleaning up the Jeep. We got the nice Royal Hooks handles on. Got all 5 of them. They look good. They blend in nicely. Work well. But yeah, got that. All 5 of them on. And like I said, washed it up. Put them on this side too. They look really good. I like them. Overall, they look really nice. Better than this faded ass plastic shit. These will be next upgrade, but until then, we got these.